turning the screw on that scrum again. He said, well, at least Connacht didn't give the penalty away, but the crossfield kick comes and Murimurivalu in position, and from that distance, with that strength and that pace, you are not going to stop him. Terrific finish, all delivered by the platform of the scrum. Crossfield kick finished beautifully.
And it was a pre-planned crossfield kick by the looks of things. Ball gets to Burns, and Connacht are very tight. Murimurivalu keeps his width, and once he gets the ball into his hand, is a nice flat direct kick. He doesn't have to break stride. Tackle from Kieran O'Halloran to stop.
Tackle. Still they have numbers out wide. Can they execute? It's there for the big man out wide once again. Murimurivalu is in.